I'm Keith, and this is my wife, Gail.
Hello.
For a long time, Gail and I have talked about going across America in an RV and working along the way. One day in April of 2020, I got a call that one of my best friends in life suddenly died at 53 years old. At the same time, the COVID virus shut down America. We were told to work from home. I thought to myself, life's short, and if we have to work from home anyway, why don't we just go do it? I thought, let's take off in that RV we've been talking about. I said to Gail, who was in the desk right in front of me, are you ready to do this RV thing? I'm ready, are you? Didn't take her 2 seconds. She said, let's go. So what did we do?
So we bought a used RV. We fixed it up. We bought a couple electric e-bikes for our transportation. And we purchased a dog backpack for a new pup named Star. This is our adventure. We will see you on the road.